Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Deepika Agarwal, Senior Consultant Gynecologist at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. आज बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे मैं डिस्कशन करने जा रही हूँ विच इज़ अबाउट पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम एंड इनफर्टिलिटी और आई कॉल इट सबफर्टिलिटी. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, सबसे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करना चाहूँगी व्हाट इज़ PCOS. इसको हम बहुत ही डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स में जानते हैं. समवन कॉल्स इट PCO, कुछ लोग इसे PCOD और कुछ लोग इसे PCOS के नाम से भी बुलाते हैं. They are all the same whether we call it polycystic ovaries, polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease. The only difference is PCO is only an ultrasound finding जिसमें हमें एक ओवरी पे बहुत छोटे छोटे फॉलिकल्स नजर आते हैं. It becomes syndrome or disease when it is associated with the symptoms or evidence of hormonal imbalance in the body. So what are the symptoms of polycystic ovaries? The most common thing that we find is या तो हमारा weight gain बहुत ज़्यादा होगा and difficulty to lose weight. There can be increased facial hair growth जिसको hirsutism कहते हैं. There could be sometimes association of insulin resistance जिसको हम आगे डायबिटीज़ की तरह भी डेवलप हो सकती है. At times women can have alopecia which means hair loss, बालों का झड़ना. And of course the most important thing is infertility or subfertility. PCOD एक ऐसी कंडीशन है जिसमें वुमेन को डिफ़िकल्टी हो सकती है कंसीव करने के लिए. आई विल टॉक बिट मोर अबाउट इट कि इनफर्टिलिटी या सबफर्टिलिटी क्यों होती है, पर उससे पहले लॉट ऑफ वुमेन वांट टू नो कि ये होता ही क्यों है. I have seen in the last 23 years of my experience after I came back from London, what I felt was it has come like an epidemic. Almost 30 to 40% of women which I see in my clinic are suffering from PCOD. We don't really know what the cause is, but there could be family history, ये genetic हो सकता है. It could be related to the lifestyle issues, the environmental factors, pollution that we see all the time. And sometimes if there is excess of male hormones in the body जिसको हम androgens भी कहते हैं, जब ये excess में हो जाते हैं they lead to disturbance between estrogen and progesterone hormones which are released by the ovary, and that hormonal imbalance causes the problem. Infertility हमें होती क्यों है? The reason is इसके अंदर because hormonal disturbances हो जाती है तो या तो एग प्रोडक्शन हो ही नहीं पाती या फिर वो डिले होती है. Now what are the treatments that a woman can have? The foremost treatment is the lifestyle change, by which I mean कि टाइम से सोना, we should have good eating habits, healthy fruits, salads, vegetables, home cooked food, lot of water intake. There should be religious exercises that we should be doing at least 3 to 5 times in a week. Bare minimum 30 to 40 minutes of walk every day. जिन women को PCOD होता है, it's very important that they may need help from nutritionist. Please do not do crash dieting to reduce your weight. It has to be a balance of diet that we are taking. We should try and reduce carbohydrates in our diet and try and take more proteins in the diet. When we start to lose weight in PCOD, automatically हमारे hormonal balance काफ़ी better होने लगते हैं, and this would then help in ovulation, which means eggs production. So this is how we can achieve to become more fertile when we are PCOD. Now one take home message from today's session is PCOD does not mean infertility. PCOD का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर हमें PCOD है तो हम fertile नहीं हैं और हमें pregnancy नहीं हो सकती है. It just means it can have some association with subfertility. कुछ women को दिक्कत आ सकती है pregnancy achieve करने में, and some women may fall pregnant without any issue. So if you are someone who are married and if you have been trying to conceive and you are not able to fall pregnant, you should see your gynecologist. There are treatments for that. Apart from lifestyle changes जो आप खुद कर सकते हैं, weight loss जो आप खुद कर सकते हैं with the help of nutritionist, we can give you medication to induce ovulation. अंडा बनाने के लिए हम दे सकते हैं with the help of रेडियोलॉजिस्ट जो कि फॉलिकुलर मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं. If that doesn't help, there are procedures like intrauterine insemination and IVF, which can attain you to have a baby. I hope you will find this session useful. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact me on 9818558756. In my next session, I'll be talking more about subfertility and endometriosis. Thank you.